Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Ford Mustang GT Premium. Beautiful car. This one's been lowered, as you can see there. Stanced, actually, we should say. Have a look in the trunk here. Lots of room, fit 2 suitcases. Super clean inside those seams. Look at this car. This is an amazing brand new car. Have a look in the trunk here. There's your tire blow-up kit. It's all super clean and tidy. The car's really never been outside in the inclement weather. It's just a beauty. You can just see the love and care this thing has had. Have a look at the stripes there. Those are carbon fiber stripes. Nice dual exhaust out the back. It's had the side reflectors blacked out. It's got the painted rotors, painted calipers, nice looking wheels, the 5-spoke wheels, and outstanding look there. On the inside, you've got baseball stitching on the leather with the perforated leather inserts. It's got heated and cooled seats, as well as a power seat for the passenger. Nice Shaker 500 sound system that you see right there. Have a look in that door frame. What a beautiful car. Here are the books for the car, so you'll be able to do all the reading, learn all about it. Even the original airbag sticker is right there, so all good. Mustang since 1964. Nice looking plaque, good looking car. Super clean, tidy, beautiful. Just beautiful. It's got deep tinted glass all the way around, as you can see. It's even got an eyebrow up there. It's got the carbon fiber complete covered roof. That was a pretty penny, I'll bet. That's a one-piece cover. That's awesome. It's got carbon fiber covered mirrors as well. Here's your front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Painted rotors and painted calipers, and look at the size of those calipers. Those are ginormous calipers, just huge. Under the hood is the 5-liter V8 engine, 428 horsepower, pushing a 6-speed manual transmission. This thing is unmolested in the engine bay and in the exhaust. Nobody's touched that. All they've done is stanced it or lowered it, as you can see. Have a look underneath there, just super clean and tidy. So let me close this hood for us now so that we can have a look and see the front, which is in great shape. There's no stone chips, no issues, just a thing of beauty. I cannot see a stone chip at all. It's got the vents covered in the carbon fiber as well. Here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, looking like brand new. And the same on the back wheel with the Pirelli tires, just beautiful. On the driver's door, you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and the Shaker sound system. You've got the illuminated Mustang, which is set to purple right now with the ambient lighting that's in the door. We can change that color if we'd like. This has got the power driver's seat with power lumbar as well. No wear, no issues, excellent condition. Here's your leather wrapped steering wheel. Let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Nice. What a nice rumble. 6-speed manual transmission, of course. Outstanding. Wow, just a beauty. So here's our accelerometer. It's got 15,904 kilometers on it. I'll just slip back here to settings. We'll just go into my color and we'll change the gauge color to, let's see, red. And then we can go out of here and we can change the ambient color, the ambient lighting, and right there we can change it to red as well. So now the doors are red, the cup holders are red, gauges are red. It's great. You can change it to blue, whatever you'd like. There's the factory navigation, heated and cooled seats, automatic dual zone air conditioning. You have your comfort feel right here so that you can change the steering feel to comfort, to sport, to normal. And then you've also got your mode over here, and this button you can change your drive mode through normal, sport plus, track, and snow and wet. So the sport plus is a really nice one to drive around on the streets in. Super design. Ford's done a great job with this. Here is your steering wheel controls over here with your Bluetooth for your phone, your volume, etc. You've got your cruise control over here, and those are the buttons I was using to change the settings up there. You've got automatic headlamps right there. Have a look in the door frames. This thing is super clean, super nice. Wow, what a beauty. So it's got the full roof covered, as I said, and the nice twin stripes down the front. Then it's got the louvers covered as well as the mirrors. There it is with the lights on, good looking car, deep tinted glass with that brow up the top. It's a really good looking machine. So you can see there's no marks, no scrapes, no scratches, nothing. It's just a perfect car. That's what we like to sell here. It's got the nice spoiler on the back, the full-size spoiler, dual exhaust, nice little rumble at the back. Very subtle and street friendly. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2016 Ford Mustang GT Premium, just 15,000 kilometers, beautiful stripe package, nice stancing done on it. It's a gorgeous looking car. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon at munromotors.com.